Hi. I bought a new vacuum cleaner and it has some pretty wild claims about pet hair removal. So I have two very dirty prepared surfaces for you. I have a chair that my cats sleep on that's pretty covered in white cat hair, and I have this rug that you can't see right now, and you can't see it because it's really, really dirty. And it's a black rug that is also covered in cat hair. So let's see if this actually does what it says it does and removes cat hair. Get down, please. Come on, get down. That light's being weird. I've run into my first problem, I guess. I don't know what the extension wand base is. It's talking about it like I should know what that is. I know it's not any of these three things. I'm guessing it's this. This is the only thing that like I don't know what it is. And I mean it kind of looks right. Oh, down here. Well, mine doesn't look like the picture. So this is the part that is supposed to be really good at removing pet hair, and I can see inside of it, it says Turbo Eraser Pet, and inside it has this, you know the thing that's normally sorry, that noise is my cats enjoying some catnip. Guys, settle down please. You know how normally there's a brush inside of a vacuum cleaner? This is what feels like silicone. So maybe that's the trick. And this part is an accessory, so you'll have to like undo this part and like attach it. Same with this, which is a dusting brush. Good to know. And then there's also an extension tube. And I'm not really sure where I'm supposed to put these. Maybe this one goes here. I think that goes there. Ooh, that made a sound. And then this I think goes at the front. Okay, let's try it.
abandoned.
Wow. So that works pretty well. I'm really impressed. I didn't think it would work that well. All of the reviews on it, and there were a lot of really positive reviews. There were a couple of negative ones and they were about how loud it was. And yeah, that is really, really loud. My cats just ran as soon as I turned it on. Wow. So, excuse me, I'm gonna try the chair, the red chair. And then I'm gonna take it upstairs, but I'm not gonna film that part. And I think I have to empty the dirt. It actually kind of filled up just after doing one little corner of the carpet, but I finished the whole thing and I should really empty it now. That is intense. That's all just from one carpet. Brand new vacuum cleaner, it's now full. Wow.
Round 2, fight!
I didn't expect this to work that well. I really thought I was going to be making like a sarcastic review video, but nope, I'm sold. This was a really, really good purchase. So the drawbacks of this kind of vacuum cleaner, it's kind of expensive for a vacuum cleaner. If you're used to only spending like $60 on a vacuum cleaner, this is going to seem kind of crazy to you. Yeah, what can I say? You use it quite frequently and they're supposed to last you a few years. So if you spend the money on them, you might save your back, which is really important, but also they just work better, so you're gonna save time. And this is the only vacuum cleaner I've ever owned that can actually handle pet hair. And it is the most expensive vacuum cleaner I've ever owned. It was like, I think it was still under $200 Canadian, but I'm not really sure. I'll put a link in the description for Amazon. It's not an affiliate link, so I don't get anything if you buy it. Don't worry if you don't like that kind of thing. If I ever do that, I will let you know. I'll make it very, very, very clear that I benefit from you purchasing or whatever. But I don't think I'm gonna do that. I've looked into it and it seems complicated. So yeah, sorry, I'm kind of sweaty now. That was like, whew. That was some hard work, but not as hard as it usually is. And then the other drawback to having a vacuum cleaner like this is that with great power comes great maintenance responsibility. And yeah, you do have to baby this thing a lot. You're supposed to clean this part inside of it called the cyclone. The part in the middle there, the clear tank, you're supposed to take that out and clean it with water and then let it dry completely before you use it again if you empty the tank. But because I had to empty the tank so soon after opening it and I still have one more rug to clean, I'm gonna do that this evening. But that concludes my review of this vacuum cleaner that nobody asked for and nobody probably wants. But I was honestly really excited about having an upright vacuum cleaner because my back hated that last vacuum cleaner. I hated it so much. So upright for my back was like the main priority. But then when I realized you could buy vacuum cleaners specifically for pet hair, I thought my life would change. And that sounds really overdramatic, but no, I'm serious. Like half of my time is spent dealing with cat hair. I have 3 cats and they're not allowed outside. And during winter, we can't even have our windows open. And it's a lot, okay? So between this and that new kitty litter that is not the name brand one, I buy the off-brand one, but you know, the kitty litter that's the the different kind of crystals that holds the pee and doesn't smell. Between this and that, like, my life just got a lot easier, so yeah. Thank you for clicking on me. There were so many things on YouTube that you could have clicked on, but you chose me, and that makes me super happy. I will see you really soon. Bye.